We gather today as the Nevada family to share in a monumental announcement that will change Nevada forever and set in motion the creation of thousands of new jobs and stream billions of dollars into our economy. It is my honor to announce that we have reached an agreement with Tesla Motor Company, subject to legislative review and approval, that will enable Tesla to build the world's largest and most advanced battery factory right here in the Silver State.
And why do we even call it the gigafactory? It's because it's actually going to be, it's not just going to be the biggest lithium-ion battery factory in the world, but it'll actually be bigger than the sum of all lithium-ion factories in the world.
We've been in such a slum these last, 3-4 years. It's nothing but positive to have a big company like that come and provide so many new jobs. The housing tracts are coming back, so it's going to, all those people are going to be buying houses here for their new jobs, and it's great because we do landscaping, and so it's going to definitely help the small businesses for sure.
Oh, it's excellent for the community. It's going to be a great infusion of jobs. People out here, jobs are tight. Everybody's looking for a good job, looking for some stability. Great for the community, great for small businesses, great for real estate. It'll just give a nice little injection of money into the businesses.